Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about the Kingdom Monera's largest member. With this topic, I will explore the fascinating world of prokaryotic cells where simplicity meets survival mastery in the tiniest living organisms on earth. So let's get started. Now, our Kingdom Monera is the pioneer of prokaryotic cell. And this Monera are the most ancient and diverse group of unicellular organisms on our planet. And it consists of 5 major groups: bacteria, cyanobacteria, mycoplasma, actinomycetes and rickettsia. Apart from that, Monera group also divided into 2 major groups on the basis of evolutionary relationship. One is archaea, another one is eubacteria. So here comes our eubacteria. This eubacteria is called true bacteria. Eubacteria basically lack a well-organized membrane-bound nucleus, and their genetic material floats freely in the nucleate region. As the figure shown here, it is freely moving genetic material. Now, they do not possess membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, which we found in eukaryotes. Now, this eubacteria also divided into 2 major groups. One is bacteria, another one is cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is a photosynthetic oxygen producer. It is also called blue-green algae, and bacteria are heterotrophic in nature and chemosynthetic in nature. Now, the prokaryotic cell is the bacterial cell. This bacterial cell are tiny but mighty and life's first blueprint. Why it is called so? Because prokaryotes are Earth's oldest and most abundant life forms, dating back over 3.5 billion years. This unicellular organisms, that means, are the plant's true survival. And this is the smallest free living organisms, and they are incredibly efficient. They are smallest, they are smartest free living cells. And this prokaryotic cell we found everywhere, floating in air, thriving in water, living within organisms. So remember always, no environment on earth is truly sterile. Now, this prokaryotic cell shows diverse morphologies: bacillus rod-shaped cell, coccus spherical shaped, spirulum spiral shaped, vibrio cholerae comma shaped. Now, our largest cell is Thiomargarita magnifica, whereas smallest one is Mycoplasma genitalium. Now, our smarter cell have various mode of defense mechanisms. That is, first one is capsule, next one is cell wall, and the third one is cell membrane. Capsule is nothing but the protective shield. See the figure, here the blue one is the capsule layer. This capsule layer is the outermost layer made up of gelatinous polysaccharide and the polypeptide, and it protect the bacteria from pathogenic attacks and prevents desiccation. Whereas the cell wall, so this is the structure of the cell wall. It is the toughest layer, outermost layer, like a plant cell. It maintains the cell shape, and it constructed from N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. In case of figure, yellow one is the NAG and reddish one is the NAB. Here the spherical blue color structure is the Mg2 plus ion binds with teichoic acid for added stability. Now the cell membrane acts as a bouncer. Now what is the function of this bouncer? Bouncer acts as a molecular traffic deciding what cell enters and exit. See the figure, it is a phospholipid bilayer. Among this phospholipid bilayer, all the proteins are embedded, so together form a fluid mosaic model. Next one is our internal environment. this is the busiest main room. Here cytoplasm, ribosomes, mesosomes are present. Cytoplasm, see the figure, cytoplasm are nothing but the jelly-like structure. It composed of 80% protein, lipid, carbohydrate, organic ions, and these ribosomes are the protein factory. See the ribosomes, it is a 70S kind of ribosome and it is made up of ribosomal RNA and the proteins. So proteins are made up of amino acids. Now see, this is the infolding or invagination of the cell membrane, so form a specialized structure called mesosome. This mesosome is the respiratory hub. DNA on the floor. So this DNA on the floor is actually our cell contains DNA. But this DNA is the loosely organized. That means no membrane bound nucleus. It is a chromatin thread-like structure composed of 10 to 20% of the cell. Now apart from that, the cellular extra-chromosomal circular self-replicating loops of DNA is present. So that is called bonus poweras. So here in the figure, red one is the bacterial DNA and the blue one is the extra chromosomal genetic material we call the plasmid, and it is why it is called bonus powera, because it is carrying genes for antibiotic resistance, toxin production and special metabolic capacities. Now the smarter cell can move faster by the help of flagellum. So flagellum act as a propeller, act as a tail, used for swimming and directional movement. It consists of filament, hook and the basal body. So it has rotatory motion function made of flagellin protein subunits powered by proton gradient. Apart from that, pili also present. Pili is tiny hair-like structure used for attaching to surfaces and other cells, essential for colonization and genetic exchange through conjugation. So, thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe me.